our planet will be destroyed, and along with it, you, your family, everyone you know, the whole world, and the entire history of humanity. Because a black hole is moving towards our planet, and none of us will survive. That kind of scary story is something anyone who doesn't know much about black holes might believe. But relax, it's not that simple. I'll try to explain in the simplest words possible what a black hole really is, and whether it's actually a danger to us. So listen carefully and watch what I'm showing you. Let's start with the basics. What is a black hole? In my previous video, I already explained what a black hole is, what the event horizon is, and what singularity means. Now let's talk about the danger itself. Basically, a black hole is like a cosmic monster. And yes, it really is a monster. It's not alive, at least not as far as we know, but still. Black holes are born when a huge, massive star dies. And I'll remind you, a star that is way bigger than our Sun. Our Sun alone could fit up to 5 million Earths inside it. Just try to imagine those numbers. It's insane. Anyway, when such a massive star dies, the explosion creates such intense gravity that not even light can escape it. That's when a black hole appears, and it literally eats everything in its path, including light itself, the photons. And photons, some scientists say, don't even have mass, yet even they can't escape. Now, do black holes fly around space like hungry beasts devouring everything they see? They don't wander like cosmic predators. A black hole just sits there, like a trap, like a snare. Anything that gets too close falls in, but it doesn't chase objects by itself. Remember, space is insanely huge. Distances are so massive, it's almost impossible for us to picture them. Light itself needs millions of years to travel from one star to another. So the chance of a black hole suddenly showing up right next to us is basically zero. And if there was one nearby, we would have noticed long ago.
But how does a black hole actually work? People often imagine it like a gigantic vacuum cleaner sucking everything in. But that's not true. A black hole only pulls things in when they're extremely close. If you replaced our Sun with a black hole of the same mass, Earth would still orbit it in the exact same way. Literally nothing would change, except that we'd all freeze to death because there'd be no sunlight. But that's another story. The main danger is if we actually got too close and got pulled in. So what do scientists say about this? Astronomers constantly monitor the sky. They know where black holes are because they reveal themselves. For example, when they consume gas or dust, the material glows in X-rays. And near us, there are none of them. Our galaxy has millions of black holes, but they're all incredibly far away. Could a black hole ever get to Earth? Theoretically, sure, like any object in space. But the distances are so enormous that even the closest known black hole would take billions of years to reach us. Billions! The Sun will explode and swallow Earth long before a black hole ever gets here. It's like imagining a fly traveling across the entire planet just to land on your hand. But let's say, just for fun, that a black hole did get here. What would happen? Well, first of all, you wouldn't die immediately. Earth would start being stretched apart by its gravity. The near side of Earth would be pulled stronger than the far side. That's called spaghettification. Same thing would happen to you. Your head pulled one way, your legs another. Light itself bends so extremely near a black hole that you could literally see your own back in front of you. Imagine that, looking straight ahead and seeing your back. Creepy, right? But here's the thing, black holes aren't something you should worry about. Honestly, we have much bigger real problems. Global warming, asteroids, nuclear weapons, aggressive Russia. Black holes are far-off cosmic monsters that exist, yes, but they're nowhere near us. So in conclusion, no, a black hole will not eat Earth. They look scary, their power is unimaginable, but in real life, they're so far away that it's practically science fiction for us. So you can sleep peacefully. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm a real person. I just have a crappy mic and a terrible voice. That's why I put extra effort into making it nice for you to listen to. I hope you found this interesting. Please leave a like, subscribe, find yourself a beautiful partner, and live a happy life. God bless you all, goodbye, and good luck.